So today's video is based on veg momos recipe. I hope this will be helpful for you guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So further ado, let's get started. The ingredients we require for paneer momos are half a capsicum, some tomatoes for the sauce, 3 to 4 carrots, a whole cabbage, some coriander leaves, paneer which is optional, green chilies, ginger, cloves of garlic and 2 big onions. We have grated the cabbage, the carrots and the paneer. Finally chop the garlic, ginger, chilies, onions, capsicum and the coriander leaves. Now a pan is taken and 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil is added. When the oil gets heated, we will be adding the finely chopped garlic and the ginger and fry for a while. And then we added the finely chopped chilies. And then the chopped onions. Fry till it turns to brown in color. The onion gets fried, add the grated cabbage. Mix well. And then add the grated carrots. Mix well with the other vegetables. Then add the grated paneer, the finely chopped capsicum and let it fry. Now we added 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. The finely chopped coriander leaves is added. Salt according to taste. Sugar and some black pepper powder is added. And mixed well with the vegetables. So the stuffing for the paneer or veg momo is finally ready. Now for the dough we require 2 cup of purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of refined oil and 1 cup of water. Need a smooth dough. To prepare the dough, combine all the purpose flour, salt and refined oil together using little water at a time. Bind all the ingredients together to form a soft dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now to shape the momos, divide the dough into 20 balls of equal size. Take one part, give it a round shape using your hand and roll it using a rolling pin as thin as possible. Fill some stuffing in the center of the circle. Lift both the sides and seal them together by applying little water at the edges. Keep aside the momos and cover them with a wet cloth. Follow the same procedure for all the remaining portions. Done, steam this momo in the momo or idli stand. Take a pressure cooker, water into it so that it does not overflow the lower section of the idli stand. Turn on the oven and put the pressure cooker. Make sure you take out the whistle and the rubber of the pressure cooker's lid. Place the lid over the pressure cooker. Meanwhile, we have taken some sunflower oil and we will grease the sections of the idli stand. We will place the momos. Follow the same procedure for all the remaining portions. Observe that the water is boiling, so now we will place the idli stand in the pressure cooker. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and let the momos bake for 15 to 20 minutes in medium flame. So this is the result after 15 minutes. Our momos are perfectly baked. Transfer the momos in a plate. Serve it hot with the tomato sauce.